We got the engine set in, got the distributor put on it, got the headers.
I'm gonna put that line on it. I got that.
Power steering pump.
I'm happy. It looks so much better.
Yeah.
Hey guys, today we're going to be putting the carburetor on, putting the breather on, or the air cleaner for the carburetor, which one everyone will call it. We're going to be putting the drive shaft in, and hopefully we'll get the kickdown cable put in. That way we can, if we're lucky enough, be able to start it by the end of the video. I know I haven't been filming as much because I've been helping a lot more, but we got the air cleaner on, we got the carburetor looking good, and then we got the spark plug wires and the spark plugs on. We got the starter down here. Right up there. And then we just got the drive shaft in and we put it on. It looks pretty good. And we still have to put a radiator on it. And hopefully by the end of tonight we will be able to try to start it.
Choke it.
Get lucky enough for it to drop back down in your right.
I'm about to try to start it up.
I'll tell you what, let's do this board just a little careful. Ready again? Yeah, all the time.
Yeah, go ahead.
All the gas. We gotta get some fuel.
That was the fuel mixture that just blew out.
I don't understand. Try choking it now. See what it does. I'm in.
Where's it getting fuel from?